What's up, everybody? I'm ArtistBoozey, and if you're new to my channel, we get fun and creative with some artwork. So if you like getting creative or anything like that, stick around. You might like the video. Today, I'm going to make my Aunt Tam, or as I call her, Aunt Yam, because my fat fingers when I'm texting messes it all up, and it said Aunt Yam when I was texting her. So it's a little inside joke with us. I'm going to make her some porch signs because she's obsessed with gnomes. So I got this big piece of wood. That's going to be one. And you probably can't even see it. It probably goes all the way off the camera. But that's one. And then I got these two pieces of wood because I cut this one in half. So this will be one. Well, two. So we're going to draw some gnomes. And I think I'm going to do maybe a Halloween, an Easter, and another one. I'm not sure yet. We're going to figure that out in the future. And we're going to get it done. So let's get to it, shall we?
Voiceover Boozey coming at you. And I am first putting a coat of white on top of this piece of wood. Get some full coverage on that bad boy. And this is a different piece of wood I'm also putting some white on. Completely covering it, smothering it in paint. I'm going to make a bow for this sign, and I got these ribbons, and I'm going to color this one some pastel colors with Sharpie for Easter. So let's get into it. Some handy dandy Sharpies. Ooh, there's my favorite color. Cute ribbon. Where'd you get your ribbon? Just gonna hot glue it together, and I'm making a cheat bow. I watched a video on YouTube to do this. You just fold them and glue them together, and then that's the piece that goes in the middle. I'm using a clip to hold it in place so I can hot glue it where it won't come apart. Because it's got glitter on it, and she hates glitter because it gets all over your house and all over the place, but around here we love glitter. Doing the same as before with the Sharpies, a gradient. Okay, here's the tails. Girly and everything. I think I'm very proud of this bow. It's very pretty. Okay, we got our pretty pastel paints on our palette, and all I did is take each one of these colors and add white to it. So orange with white, yellow with white, green with white, blue with white, purple with white, pink with white. And this was orange, yellow, pink, red, and white. To make coral. So yeah, let's get into this. We're doing the welcome letters on this in some pastel colors. And I know the carpet is very ugly and filthy, but a little fun fact, it's gone now. We did a whole remodel on our downstairs and it looks way nicer. We got hard floors, no more carpet up in her. Glad to see it go and sad at the same time because now I cannot make a mess with paint. I gotta be very careful not to get the floors dirty. That's the nose of the gnome. My aunt is obsessed with gnomes, and when I'm off camera, I have my life has turned to making gnomes for my aunt. I've done like a pom-pom gnome and all this stuff. She loves them. It's pretty fun to do these signs too. I always love to do something different. It's a little Easter bunny gnome. It's so cute. Get that beard on him. Now I'm doing the stroke of the letters, or the outline, you could say. And I ended up getting purple on the side with my palm because left-handers, you know, it's difficult. We're very creative, but it gets on our palm of our hand and makes a mess. This is the Halloween gnome sign, and I gave him a little ghost hat. And I'm putting a white outline, or like a base coat of white on, so I can paint over top of, so the colors pop up more. Because when you paint on darker stuff, it dulls the colors down. So, yeah, we want them to be bright and poppity in your face. There's my jacket. He got up in the bed to lay down. He never wants my attention, ever. He gives me dirty looks when I'm loving on him until I'm painting or drawing, and then he's staring at me. He needs my attention right immediately, right now, and it's quite hilarious. Doing the little ghost eyes and then the mouth. Little shoes, his tinny boppers. The outline of his beanie, and I love me some beanies. Beanies are comfortable. Doing a second coat of white on that beanie. Locking in colors, boys and girls. Now I'm doing the black outline on his hat to separate it from the wood. And the outline of his nose. Look at the flick of that wrist. Ooh! I'm just doing some white mixed with gray lines to give it a little bit more detail, and that's light gray to get the folds of the beanie. And this is a fan brush. If you don't know how to use it, check out Bob Ross's videos, because that's where I learned all about it. He uses it for trees, I use it for hair and beards. I was very happy with the turnout of this beard. I showed my little sister, and she was like, "That looks like a real beard on there." And I was like, "For real? Thanks for saying that. I appreciate it. I worked really hard on it, and I'm proud of it." And yes, I'm a weirdo, and I hold the paintbrush in my mouth because I lose it if I set it down. It's weird. They disappear. Okay, so where I'm at is I made a stencil for the Halloween one, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to leave these in because it's not sticking. So that's where I'm at right now. Okay, I got these ribbons for the Christmas sign. This will be the back, this will be the front, and I haven't decided if I want this or this to be the center where it ties. So I'm doing a no tie though from a video on YouTube. So we're gonna get started with this being the back.
I'm just measuring out how much I'm going to use, how big I want the bow, and this bow I want bigger than the first bow I made. And I'm doing the same, just clipping them together, hot gluing them, and then I'm going to wrap red around it as the middle.
Well, I didn't film this whole part, so there's that, but got my tails.
I'm just cutting the triangles into it to make it look like an actual bow, and I think it turned out really cute. And you hot glue that as well.
And now time for the painting process. Now,
Starting out with some red on his little beanie gnome hat, whatever you call their hats, I don't know. I don't know. Sorry if you don't like puns, I love a good pun around here. Painting on wood takes a little bit longer because the wood likes to absorb the paint so it don't spread as much. And I probably could have used a bigger brush, but I started with the edges, so I was trying to be careful and not go outside of my lines. I'm just mixing some gray right there to paint the beard gray so that when I do white it shows up better. Base coats, people, base coats. Time consuming, but well worth it. Very important.
fan brush.
Going in with my fan brush again and doing some white little hairs. That's my sister in the background. She likes to spend time with me when I'm painting. It's nice to have her company. I do love her very dearly. She's quite the artist herself, as a matter of fact. Taking after her big sister makes me proud. I went in with gray and black on my fan brush as well. To add different colors and add depth and somewhat texture-y. Now I'm just adding a design on the beanie with just some lines. It's like a little pattern. I'm trying to go with like the flow of the hat where I think there would be like different folds or whatever, like curves in the beanie. I'm trying to do that way. To make it look like there's movement because it's not always straight. And that's the pom-pom I also used the fan brush on. And it was fun. It was really fun to make it look like a pom-pom. And now it's outline time, baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Okay, guys, this is my Aunt Yam, and I'm going to get her reaction of her birthday gift. So bring them in. Oh, God. I'm nervous.
Ta-da.
I know she's going to love them anyway, but I still get nervous.
Oh, my gosh. I love it.
They're for the season, so Easter, Christmas,
Aww.
and Halloween.
I love it. Thank you.
The only thing that I said is the problem,
There you guys
it needs
go.
clear coat, and I don't have it.
You guys need to show the camera.
Yeah. Thumbnails or something.
My niece is so special to me. I love her so much.
Oh my goodness, calm down! Oh man.
You want to raise them two up just a little bit so they can see the...
They're heavy.
Yeah.
It's wood. You should have saw me.
There.
Actually,
oh, cool.
Can't see my face.
Actually, you want to see something funny? You want to see something really funny?
Are we done?
Yeah, here.
Don't cancel it. I want to show you something funny. This is what I cut them bitches with.
Oh shit!
I did freaking
Lord.
freaking ancient rusted saw. That's what I cut them in half with.
Oh
'cause it
my
was a
god,
full
I
one.
guess.
I was out there like this, sweating my ass off. It would not
Oh,
cut.
yeah, Keith.
That is funny. Ancient Chinese secret.
Yeah, so all it needs is clear coat. All three of them. I handmade the bows and then hot glued them, so those won't come off.
That's cool.
And you want to know something? This colorful bow was all white. I put Sharpie on it to make it match.
Oh, that is so awesome.
And these are the final results. And if you guys like the video, what should they do?
Like and subscribe.
You heard the woman. Like and subscribe. Come back for some more artsy fartsy fun. Thank you for watching.